Veggies in pots. Fresh food, small space. Want fresh veggies but lack a big yard? No worries, no problem. You can grow delicious food in containers, even on a tiny balcony. Whether you have a small patio, a balcony, or just a sunny windowsill, you can create a thriving garden. Imagine stepping outside and picking a salad for dinner. Fresh, crisp, and right at your fingertips. It's easier than you think. With just a few pots and some soil, you can start growing your own food. Container gardening is perfect for beginners. You don't need a lot of space or experience to get started. It's a fun way to add greenery to your space and enjoy homegrown goodness. Plus, it's incredibly rewarding to eat something you've grown yourself. Container gardening is all about flexibility. You can choose the types of plants that suit your taste and space. You can move your pots around to follow the sun, ensuring your plants get the light they need to thrive. Plus, it's a great way to control soil quality and pests. You can tailor the soil mix to suit your plants and keep them healthy. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. We'll guide you through the basics, from choosing the right containers and soil to selecting the best plants for your space. Whether you're growing herbs, vegetables, or flowers, container gardening can transform your small space into a lush, productive garden. So grab your pots, get your hands dirty, and let's grow some fresh food together. Picking the perfect pot size and drainage matter. When it comes to gardening, the container you choose can make a world of difference. First things first, let's talk containers. The type of container you use can affect the health and growth of your plants. You can use almost anything, from clay pots to recycled buckets. Get creative. Think outside the box and repurpose items you already have at home. The important thing is drainage. Without proper drainage, your plants can suffer from root rot and other water-related issues. Make sure your container has holes at the bottom so excess water can escape. This is crucial for maintaining healthy roots and preventing waterlogging. Bigger containers hold more moisture, which is great for thirsty plants like tomatoes. They provide ample space for root growth and help retain moisture longer. Smaller pots are perfect for herbs or compact veggies like lettuce. They are easier to manage and can be moved around to catch the best sunlight. Choose the right size for your chosen veggies. Consider the plant's mature size and root depth. This will ensure they have enough space to grow and thrive. Remember, the right container can enhance your garden's beauty and functionality. Happy gardening! Soil secrets, the foundation for happy plants. Now, let's talk. Soil. The type of soil you use can make a huge difference in the health and happiness of your plants. It's the very foundation upon which your plants grow, so it's crucial to get it right from the start. Don't use garden soil in your containers. It can be too dense. Garden soil is often heavy and compact, which can restrict root growth and limit the amount of oxygen that reaches the roots. This can lead to poor plant health and stunted growth. Instead, choose a lightweight potting mix. Potting mix is designed to be light and fluffy, allowing roots to spread easily and access the air and water they need. This type of soil is perfect for container gardening because it supports healthy root development. It's specially formulated for container gardening. Potting mix often contains a blend of materials like peat moss, perlite, and vermiculite, which help to retain moisture while also providing excellent drainage. This ensures that your plants get the right balance of water and air. It drains well and provides good aeration for your plant's roots to breathe. Proper drainage is essential to prevent root rot and other issues caused by excess moisture. Well-aerated soil allows roots to take in oxygen, which is vital for their growth and overall plant health. You can find potting mix at any garden center. When shopping for potting mix, look for bags that are labeled specifically for container gardening. These mixes are formulated to provide the best environment for your potted plants. Look for one that's enriched with compost for added nutrients. Compost-enriched potting mix provides a slow-release source of nutrients that can help your plants thrive. The compost adds organic matter to the soil, improving its structure and fertility. Your plants will thank you. With the right potting mix, your plants will grow strong and healthy, producing vibrant flowers and bountiful harvests. Happy plants make for a happy gardener, so invest in quality soil and watch your garden flourish. Veggie variety. What grows well in pots? So many veggies thrive in containers. Tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers love the sun. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale prefer some shade. Herbs are perfect for pots and add flavor to your dishes. Start with easy-to-grow varieties. Cherry tomatoes, bush beans, and radishes are great choices for beginners. Have fun experimenting with different vegetables and find your favorites. Section 5. Planting time, from seeds to soil. Planting time is exciting. If you're starting from seeds, follow the instructions on the packet. Some seeds, like tomatoes and peppers, need to be started indoors before transplanting outside. For seedlings, gently remove them from their containers and loosen the roots. Plant them in your prepared pots, making sure they have enough space to grow. Water them well and watch them thrive. Section 6. Sunshine and water. Keeping your plants happy. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Place your containers in a sunny spot. Water regularly, especially during hot weather. Stick your finger into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Don't overwater. Soggy soil can lead to root rot. Feel the soil to gauge moisture levels. Your plants will reward you with healthy growth. Section 7. Troubleshooting. Common problems, easy solutions. Even with the best care, you might encounter a few bumps along the way. Yellowing leaves could mean too much or too little water. Pests can be a nuisance. Don't worry, there are solutions. Adjust your watering schedule. Use insecticidal soap for pest control. A little troubleshooting goes a long way. Section 8. From garden to table. Enjoy your harvest. The best part of container gardening? Harvesting your own food, straight from your garden. Imagine the satisfaction of serving a salad made with ingredients you grew yourself, right at home. Freshly picked vegetables taste amazing and are full of flavor. Use them in your favorite recipes and savor the flavors of your hard work and dedication. Section 9. Container gardening with kids. Fun for the whole family. Container gardening is a fantastic family activity. Get the kids involved. They'll love planting seeds, watering the plants, and watching them grow. It's a great way to teach them about nature, responsibility, and the joy of growing their own food. Create lasting memories together. Section 10. Growing your own. A rewarding experience. Container gardening is more than just growing vegetables. It's about connecting with nature, enjoying the outdoors, and reaping the rewards of your efforts. So go ahead, get your hands dirty, and experience the joy of growing your own food. It's easier than you think, and the rewards are endless.